Are you tired of spending hours of applying makeup just to look neat and clean? Do you want to look your best without applying any lipstick, mascara, or foundations? You are very lucky if you see this video, because this video is going to tell you tips on how to look neat and clean without makeup, feeling confident in your own skin without breaking rules. And always remember that everyone at Idea of Beauty is different, but you guys always try to understand that you're perfect. You just need to level up. This video includes personal hygiene, skincare, uniform hair, little bit of accessories. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is all about how you treat yourself, and it is important to maintain a personal hygiene routine. If you're in school to look and feel confident and clean, here is a simple morning routine. Wake up early. Wake up early so that you have enough time to get ready for school. Brush your teeth. Start your day by brushing your teeth for at least 2 minutes to get that bright teeth. Face wash. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove all the oil and dirt from your face. And yes, here comes to do your skincare. Shower optional. It is the best decision to shower before school as it makes you to feel more clean and attractive, and also you'll smell more good. You can also take a shower before going to the bed. And if you're taking a bath at morning, so after you can do skincare. Hair care. When you're taking a bath, so apply conditioner to use Roots for smooth hair. You can also apply hair mask, and you can make it at home by adding egg and curd, plus aloe vera in a bowl, and then simply mix it and apply it for an hour. And also don't forget to massage your hair every weekend because it will make your hair lengthy. Nail care. If you are going to your school, don't forget to trim your nails before you go to your school, because it shows that you are responsible and it makes you to look more clean and attractive, if it is allowed. So apply a beige or light color nail paint because it look more clean. Perfume's optional. I think this is my favorite step. I really love perfumes. And try to apply perfume whenever you are going to school because it helps you to smell more good, and no one loves bad smell. So take a mini perfume in your bag always, because in emergency, you'll need it. I'll make a video on things to keep in your bag. Breakfast and water. Before you leave your home, don't forget the breakfast because breakfast is really important and it gives you energy. And of course, don't forget water because it's a summertime. And water makes us hydrated, and always carry water with you. Skincare. Skincare is really important for our skin, and also try to apply those products which are suitable for your skin. A good skincare routine before you go to your helps your skin to look more clean and fresh all day. Cleansing. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Wash your face with the cleanser that suits your skin. Try to wash your face twice in a day. Toning toners can really help in balancing pH of our skin. Take some toner and cotton pad, and then gently swipe it all over on your face in. Or you can use your hands. Moisturizer. Apply a moisturizer that suits your skin, and also which don't leave oil when your face after applying the moisturizer. Try to massage your face with moisturizer. For that extra glow on your face, sunscreen. Sunscreen is really very important, especially in summers because this is summertime. So don't forget sunscreen before you leave your home. Sunscreen gives that glow on your face that you need through all time in school. Lip care. If you have dry lips, so try to scrub your lips every morning before you go to school because scrub makes your lips more hydrated. No one wants that dessert type lips, right? So here is the homemade scrub that you can make and apply it on your lips. In a bowl, add honey, sugar, and coconut oil or olive oil. Mix it, then scrub it, but don't scrub it for too long. Otherwise, it will injure your lips. After scrub. Don't forget to apply lip balm. You can apply Vaseline or any lip balm that suits your lips and make your lips hydrated. Uniform. For those who wear uniform looking good in school, uniform is all about how your uniform looks and how clean your uniform is. Here are some tips to look good in your uniform without breaking any rules. Iron your uniform. Before you go to your school, try to iron your uniform. Or you can iron it at night because it's safe you're lots of time in the morning. Ironed uniform always look best. And it makes you to look more clean and neat, and you haven't break any rules yet. Proper fit. Don't wear oversized uniform. Wear uniform that fits you perfectly because it makes you to your look more clean. Now, those who don't tell wear uniform. If you don't say uniform, it depends on your personal styles and how you feel comfortable in any dress. Here are some simple styles that you can wear at school. Casual and comfortable. Like t-shirts with jeans is the best thing that you can wear at school. Or you can wear shirts with jeans. Oversized hoodie with joggers. Oversized t-shirt with comfortable pants. Try to wear those clothes which suits you and which make you to look more brighter. Shoes. Wear those shoes which is comfortable and you can wear it at your school without breaking any rules. If you wear uniform, go for black shoes. And always try to polish your shoes before you go to your school because it makes you to look more clean and polished. And also don't forget to wear your socks. Try that. Your socks are clean and there is no dirtiness on it. Hair, choose a simple and comfortable style that suits you. Here are some styles that you can make for your school. A high ponytail, 2 puffy braid hairstyle, messy bun, French hairstyle, low bun, sleek low ponytail. Accessories. Accessories can add your personal style, and accessories can also help you to look more attractive. Here are some accessories that you can wear. Light necklace, bracelet rings. For backpack, choose a bag that is not very light. Choose black color. I know light colors are the best, but I don't think that you will waste your time in just cleaning your bag at every weekend. You can also customize your ID card, but if it is allowed, so you can do it, otherwise you don't need it to do. Try to customize your school bag by adding some batches on it. Remember that you are always pretty, but you just need to level up and there is no need to apply makeup to make others happy. I'll meet you with another video. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank for watching. Bye-bye, besties.
Hey besties, do you ever feel like why people are not finding you attractive and beautiful? Like when you join people's group or walk in hallway, no one even notices you and always ignores you because you are in the category of average people. And there is that one girl group who is the most attractive one and always have the best results, whether it's study, sports, or even looking attractive. She is good in everything. But wait, in this video, I'll be sharing some tips which is gonna make you super attractive and more beautiful. Reminder, don't think that you're ugly. No one is. Everyone just needs a glow up. And always respect themselves, because if you will respect yourself, others will do. This video includes 5 steps plus hijab. 1. Body care. 2. Forearm care. 3. Hair care. 4. Nail care. 5. Accessories. Okay, let's start with body care. First thing first, dental hygiene. Start your morning with a beautiful smile. Don't forget to brush your teeth for that white teeth and beautiful smile that can make you look more pretty and beautiful. Shower. Don't forget to take a shower before you go to school. It is really important in summers because it keeps you hydrated and fresh if you cannot take shower in the morning. So take shower in the night before you go to your bed. First of all was your body with a body wash. Don't forget that your body wash smells good because it helps you to smell good in the school. After body wash, don't forget body scrubber because it helps to remove all tan from your body. You can also make a homemade scrubber. Add 2 tablespoons coffee, add 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil. Mix it and then scrub it all over on your body. It will detan your body and it will make your skin soft and smooth. Don't forget to apply body lotion after the shower. It will make your skin moisturized. Exercises. Okay, in body care, how can you forget exercises? Don't forget to do some simple stitches before you go to your school. When you wake up, drink a little bit of water, do your morning routine, and after, don't forget exercise Before you take shower, some simple stretches can help your mind to wake up and focus more. Here are some simple stretches that you can do in your morning routine. Make sure that you applied your favorite deodorant or flower, like mist. It helps you to smell more good and fresh all day. Don't apply too strong perfume. Apply a light, small perfume. If you want your perfume to stay for a long time, then apply Vaseline, and then apply perfume on it. Make a simple skincare routine. A simple skincare routine can help your skin to look more fresh and glow throughout the day. You don't need anything. Steps can care routine, just simple routine like wash your face with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin. After it, apply serum if you are 15 plus. Apply moisturizer to make your skin hydrated. Don't forget sunscreen because in summers, we need sunscreen to protect our skin from UV rays and also from tan. Step 2, uniform care. And it is really important that uniform is clean because clean uniform shows that you are responsible and you love yourself. Use detergent to clean your uniform. Use a detergent that is good and smell good. Iron your uniform so that you look more attractive and responsible. If your school allows layering, so why not? Layering is one of the best things you can do in your school. Make sure that your uniform is not too tight or too loose. Your uniform should be fitted so that you look good in your uniform. Don't forget to polish your shoes. Clean your shoes with shoe polish. Step 3, hair care. Okay, hair care is really important, just like skincare. Massage. Don't forget to massage your hair thrice a week. Massaging with oil can help your hair to grow very fastly, and it also helps in circulating blood in our head. You can massage your hair with coconut oil or olive oil. Hair mask. There are lots of ready-made hair masks, but I recommend you to make your own hair mask according to your hairs. For silky, smooth hair, make this mask. Add some curd, aloe vera, flaxseed. Firstly, boil flaxseed for a gel. For frizz-free hair, make this mask. In conditioner, add honey. Add coconut oil. For frizz-free hair, apply it only for 5 to 10 minutes. Hair mask can help your hair to grow faster and also for shiny hair. Shampoo. Use a shampoo which is suitable for your hair. After applying shampoo, don't forget to massage it in your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Massaging your hair with shampoo can make your hair shiny, smoother, and soft. Conditioner. Conditioner is also really important for your hair to make your frizz-free hair, as I told you. That you can add honey, coconut oil, or olive told-in conditioner for smooth hair. After shampoo and conditioner, how can we forget our hair serum? Yes, you are designed to improve the look and feel of our hair by creating a protective layer of smoothness. It has shine and protect your hair from frizziness. Step 4, nail care. Our nails are also important, so make sure that your nails are trimmed. And you can also apply beige color nail paint so that you look attractive. Apply nail polish if your school allows. Step 5, accessories. Accessories is the basic thing that can add your personal style. But if it is allowed in your school to wear light accessories, so wear some bracelet, necklace, or rings. Okay, now let's talk about our hijabi girl. For hijabi girls, after your morning routine, you can wear a simple hijab which you can make very simply. Like this girl.
You have to wear hijab of always a blanket of layers. Wear a hijab, but with less layers. These ideas of hijab that you can make. Thank you so much, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Meet you with another aesthetic and informative video. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, besties!